Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn how to subtract fractions with different denominator. The questions which I have picked are all exam style questions. If we have 5 over 6, take away 3 over 6. So can we find the answer? Yeah, we can find the answer very easily because the denominators are same. When the denominators are same, you can work with your numerator. So you will do 5 take away 3 is 2 over 6. Yes, and if they say you to simplify, you are going to simplify it. You will make it more smaller. So you can do divide by 2 because you have 2 and 6 in one timetable, that is 2. So whenever you are simplifying, you need to pick any one times table which has both the numbers, numerator and denominator. So I went with 2, and then you're going to ask yourself, how many 2 can make 2? That's 1. How many 2 can make 6? That's 3. So this is your simplified answer. Right? Now let's see some tricky one. If suppose in exam you get the question 7 over 3 take away 3 over 5. Okay, and now here you will see, because when you are doing fractions, it's very important that the denominators should be same. And you will see here the denominators are not same. One side, left hand side you have 3, right hand side you have 5. So here you are going to use butterfly method. This is very beautiful method. So butterfly method you are going to use. Okay, in butterfly method, first thing is that you are going to make a wing down, this one. So you are going to times 3 times 5. Okay, so 3 times 5 you are going to multiply or times the denominator. 3 times 5 is 15. Write the denominator 15. Okay, and now next step is you are going to cross multiply the left hand side. So you will go cross top with bottom, and if you want you can draw a wing, so this way. Okay, so 7 times 5, you're doing times. Whenever you're doing a fraction, you do only times when you're multiplying. Okay, so you are always multiplying numerator with denominator like this. Okay, so you will say 7 times 5 is 35. Write a 35 here. Now you're going to draw the next wing of butterfly, and this will be here on your right hand side. So again you will go with top with bottom, that's a numerator with denominator. So make a wing, right? And now you're going to say 3 times 3. Alright, so you're saying again you're doing times. 3 times 3, 9. Perfect. Once more I will explain you. You are doing times 3 times. Alright, so first times you do is the bottom. Okay, you do the times bottom. That's 3 times 5 is 15. You write the 15 here, you write the 15 here. Okay, this is the first step. Second step, you do cross multiply. Okay, you do the cross multiply. Alright, the left side with this one, the right side denominator, and you draw a wing. Okay, so it is 7 times 5. Again you do times. 7 times 5 is 35. So this is 35 from this side. Alright, next then you do right hand side. You will draw a wing. Now you will go this way. Okay, you are going this way, and you are going to say 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. Alright, so simply first time you are going to multiply the bottom. Second, you are going to multiply from left to right. Alright, third step, you are going to multiply right to left. Okay, so this is the way you are going to do. So if you get this point, so you will always get your answers right. So this is first step, second step, third step. Done. Okay, so you can put the cross sign if you want. This is called cross multiply. Okay, cross multiply, or you can draw the wing, whatever you like. Perfect. And now you got the numbers, and your operation is take away. Put the take away here. Alright, so we are doing take away, and now you are going to use your column method and do the take away. So 35 take away 9. So you will see here, from 5 you can't get 9, so you need to borrow from the next door. So you will make this 2, and this is left with 2, and here you have 15, and when you do 15 take away 9, it will be, yes, 6, and you get the 2 here, 26. Perfect. You will write your answer now. So the top number, when you did the subtraction, you got 26 over 15. We never add denominators. Okay, we never add denominators. Denominators are always same. Alright, so this is your answer. Perfect. Now, extension question, they can ask you in exam. Write this answer in mixed number, because as you can see, this is improper fraction. The top part is heavy, so it's an improper fraction. So you are going to do in mixed fraction now, because they have asked you to write your answer in mixed fraction. So for the mixed fraction, next step is you are going to divide 26 with 15, and you are going to ask yourself how many 15 you can get in 26. So if you go with the 15 times table, you have 15, 30, 45. I can't go with 30, right, because it's too much. I will go with 15. So you're going to say how many 15 you can get in 26? 1. Alright, and now what's the remainder? Again, if it is non-calculator paper, again you need to use a column method and find out the answer. So out of 16, you have used 15, and then you will do the takeaway. 6 take away 5 is 1, 2 take away 1 is 1, just 11. You're left with 11. So you're 11 here. This is the remainder. And I always say my students, go this way. Move your hand this way. Can you see? This way. So what happened? This 1 will be the big number. How many 15 you got? 1 big one. What is left over? 11. Remainder is 11. And your denominator will be same, that is 15. So this is your mixed number. So when you write this way, one whole and fraction, we say this is mixed fraction. Yeah. Thank you.